did his shoes turn?
Red.
No, what color are his shoes?
Blue.
Blue. But did Pete cry?
Pete cry, Daddy.
Did Pete cry?
No.
Goodness, no. He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Yeah.
You're
Oh,
cute.
he stepped in a large puddle of mud. And what color did it turn his shoes?
Red.
No, what color did it turn his shoes?
Brown.
Brown.
Big.
Did Pete cry?
Pete cry, Daddy.
Did Pete cry, Caleb?
No.
He kept walking along and singing his song. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes.
I love brown
Oh no, he stepped
Hey,
in the
Caleb.
bucket of water.
Hold on, Daddy. Caleb, what's the name of this book?
I love
No, what's it called? Pete?
Pete the cat.
Do you like Pete the cat?
Brother.
Yeah, he stepped in water. You're a good reader.
What color did his shoes turn?